Okay. Order, honorable senators. Senator for Garissa, kindly take your seat. Thank you. Now, honorable senators, the result of the vote on the division on this motion is as follows. Ayes, 31 votes. Nays, 12 votes. Abstention, 0 votes. So the ayes have it. Now, honorable senators, as you may recall, in my communication earlier this afternoon, I made it clear that if the preliminary issue contesting whether the County Assembly of Isiolo held sittings on the 18th June 2025 and 26th of June 2025 to table, debate, pass and all vote on the motion for the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the governor of Isiolo County was to be upheld, these impeachment proceedings will terminate forthwith, and it would not be necessary to proceed to the motion or vote on the second preliminary issue as listed in the supplementary order paper. This motion having been passed, the impeachment proceedings in the matter of the proposed removal from office of the governor of Isiolo County have forthwith terminated. The termination of the impeachment proceedings also lead to the lapse by operation of law of the 3 days of special sittings terminating on Thursday, the 10th of July 2025, which I had earlier gazetted. Accordingly, the regular sittings of the Senate pursuant to the Senate calendar for the 4th session, approved on the 19th of February 2025, shall resume tomorrow, Wednesday, the 9th of July 2025 at 9 a.m. The relevant order paper will be prepared and circulated in the usual manner. 9:30. The relevant order paper will be prepared and circulated in the usual manner. Now, honorable senators, there is one last matter which is of grave concern. In the course of her contribution, the senator for Isiolo County, Senator Fatuma Dulo, has expressed serious fears about the security situation in Isiolo County. Senator Dulo has expressed concern particularly that after these impeachment proceedings, neither the County Assembly of Isiolo or herself as the Senator for Isiolo County are safe. The security of all persons is not a matter to be taken lightly. The security of the Senator, similarly, must be assured. I therefore direct that the extract of the Hansard in relation to the concerns expressed by Senator Dulo be obtained by the Office of the Clerk of the Senate and be addressed in a letter to the Inspector General of Police, as well as the County Commissioner of Isiolo County for the information and necessary action. Now, to the Governor, let me offer you unsolicited advice. This is not a win, and therefore the Senate does not expect you to go out there chest thumping. This is a postponement of your case. It is a postponement of your hearing. Now, depending on how you're going to carry yourself from today going forward, that case may never be heard. Depending on how, similarly, depending on how you're going to behave out there, your case may be back here in a matter of days. It's up to you. From the little that we've gathered through this preliminary objection, clearly there are cracks on the walls of Isiolo County. If I were you, I'll go mend those cracks. I will not bring the walls of Isiolo County, because that is the big fear expressed by the Senator for Isiolo County. We expect, as the leadership, as the top leader in Isiolo County, you need to have a sitting with your senator, even if it's through a third party. As the top leader in Isiolo County, you need to mend your relationship with the county assembly, even if it means through a third party. This is an advice that you may take or you may leave, but the consequences are there. So we do not expect you to go carry out celebrations in Isiolo because of this verdict that has been handed in by the Senate. Having said that, honorable senators, kindly be upstanding. Now, having come to the end of the business of the day, the Senate now stands adjourned until tomorrow, Wednesday, 9th July 2025 at 9:30 a.m. Thank you.